Hey, this is Kenton Newby coming to you with another online business video tip. And in this tip, we're going to be talking about HitTail again. And I already put together a previous video going over some of the features and benefits of the HitTail service. And after seeing that, you were probably wondering, well, how can I get this up and running on my website? So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with a test blog that I have set up. So it's really a two-step process. The first thing we need to do is go and sign up for an account at HitTail, and you can do that for free, or you can choose one of their paid options, and I'll leave it to you to go over to HitTail.com and click on pricing, and you can get all the information there. And then once you sign up for an account, all you need to do is add a website, and then this thing works kind of like Google Analytics or some of those other services where the code you get for your site is specific to that one site. So you add your site, they give you a little snippet of code, and then that second step is adding that code to your site so that HitTail can track all of the visitors and keywords driving people to your site. So what we want to do is first go over to HitTail.com and choose either a free or paid account, and then go ahead and sign up. And then once you log in, you can click on My Account and then scroll down to the bottom here. I'm just going to add a test site that I have set up, and then click Save Changes. And then if we scroll back down to the bottom, we'll see that now we can click View, and it gives us our little snippet of code that we can copy and paste and add to our site. So I'm just going to highlight all of that, right click and select Copy, and just leave that there in the clipboard as we continue with step 2. So the next thing I want to do is go over to this test site that I have set up, and this is just a test WordPress blog that I've got set up. So I'll go ahead and log in here. Now there are a couple of different ways you can add this code to your site. Probably the easiest way is to just go over to Design and then click on Theme Editor, and then look for a file over here on the right called Footer. We can see Footer right here at the bottom. Click on that, and then all of the code that makes up that footer.php file shows up here. And all we need to do is paste that HitTail code right here before this /body tag. So we just right click, paste, and then go down and select Update File, and that's pretty much it. Now there's also a plugin you can use, and I'll show you how I have that set up on one of my other sites. And you can see here that I've got on one of my other sites this Tail Hitter plugin, which takes care of all of this for you. So really you can just download this plugin, activate it, and then paste your code in here instead of having to mess around with the footer.php file. And that might be a little bit easier if you're not too comfortable messing around with the PHP files. And you can find this plugin just by Googling for the term Tail Hitter or Tail Hitter plugin, and that'll lead you right to it. Either way, that's pretty much all it takes to get HitTail set up on your website. And of course, once you get a little bit of traffic after adding that code to your site, you can head back into the HitTail interface here and just double check to make sure everything's working, make sure that it's giving you information on the keywords and different sites that are leading people to your website. That's pretty much all it takes to add HitTail to your website or to your blog. That's it for this online business video tip. For more videos, articles, and other info, I invite you to visit my site at kentonnewby.com.